Managing production is certainly an exciting task, which comes with a series of challenges such as malfunctions at workstations, operators seeking the attention of mechanics or leaders who are too busy to respond effectively. All this directly impacts the problems with implementing plans and leads to continuous delays. As you can see, gaps in communication can lead to significant operational chaos. But what if there was a straightforward solution that would enhance communication between operators, production leaders, and maintenance staff, ensuring perfect order and synchronization in the manufacturing process, all without errors and delays? Meet P-Beep, the wireless calling system that will revolutionize communication in your factory. This unique tool will transform how your establishment operates. With classic operator panels or smart operator keypads and modern staff watches or portable staff pagers, communication will become seamless and efficient. With classic panels at workstations, operators can efficiently summon a production leader, cleaner, or mechanic for assistance. These professionals will receive instant notifications on their modern watches, indicating which station requires their service. Meanwhile, with the Keypad Smart feature, operators can also directly communicate their needs to the warehouse staff, using specific names, ensuring the precise and timely delivery of inventory items. This effective, discreet, and streamlined form of communication will significantly enhance operational efficiency, responding to requests and alerts immediately as they arise. The staff will find their work more manageable, leading to more efficient operations, improved production rates, and better maintenance response times. Are you ready to elevate the efficiency of your factory? The P-Beep system is a set of transmitters and receivers offering limitless possibilities. This example is just a glimpse of what's possible. Communication can be extended to other areas such as the management team, warehouse, or medical staff to ensure lightning-fast communication throughout the entire facility. In an area like logistics, drivers receive timely information via pages about their assigned vehicle docks. Choose the right elements and configure a set that is perfectly tailored to your facility, meeting your unique needs and preferences. Don't wait, take advantage of the free 14-day trials. Visit www.pbeep.com and order your test set completely free of charge. Our tests have shown a 94% effectiveness rate. Experience it for yourself.